What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. Today, we are going to be talking about one coin that will completely blow investors away this cycle. But before we get started, if you're not a member of the free Discord, please click the link in the description box below and get started with the free Discord. And without further ado, we'll get straight into today's video. Okay, so one coin that I think a lot of people are going to completely be blown away, investors are going to be blown away this cycle, is Vell versus the dollar. Now we're going to start here with an Elliott wave count. You guys can see we have wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and we're working on wave 4 as we speak. Now after that, we're going to have a fifth wave. Now, wave 4 generally stops at the 382 or the 50% Fibonacci level. Now, we're falling right onto the 382 Fib level as we speak. So that's a really good sign here with Vell. A lot of time when things are going parabolic, like with Bitcoin and other coins, these coins land on the 382 in wave 4, and then they turn around and start going higher. So a lot of times, we actually get a very strong bounce at that 382 level. The other place it could go is the 50% Fibonacci level. However, with how strong Bitcoin is looking right now, I think we're going to bottom out here sooner rather than later. Also, you guys, the other thing that's really interesting here about Vell is we have a bullish flag pattern. So we have resistance to the flag going down right there. We'll go ahead and make it a little bit thicker, and support going down right here. So this is a bullish flag pattern. This pattern plays out very, very nicely in bull markets. A lot of people were selling Ethereum because Ethereum was dropping a little bit in the short term, and yet it was making a perfect bullish flag pattern. So most people sell their tokens right here at the bottom of these bull flags, right before they turn around and start to break out and go higher. So personally, I think we will bottom out here very, very soon with Vell. I think we'll bottom out at the 382. That's my personal view. We could go to the 50% level, of course. Either way, Vell is going to bottom out sooner rather than later. And just so you guys know here, an example with Ethereum, what those bull flags can look like. A lot of people sell these bull flags because they don't understand what a continuation pattern is. In a bull market, a continuation pattern is any type of structure that appears during a correction before another move up. And bull flag is a very common continuation pattern. And a lot of times they sell right here. In fact, quite frequently, they sell right here. Why? Because that's the peak point of the emotional fear inside of that continuation pattern. In other words, as it gets closer to the bottom of the pattern, a lot of people get more and more scared, and they sell right here because it looks all choppy, it's going down, and then it breaks bullish out of that pattern, and everybody's like, oh, why'd I sell? I really shouldn't have done that, And then they're like, dang, what was I thinking? And we were posting this bull flag in the VIP group, letting people know, you guys, Ethereum's in a bull flag. This thing is going to break out. It's going to go higher. And it did. And if you look here, it fell right in between the 382 and the 50% Fibonacci level. But of course, right here, while the market was dropping, just because visually it looked bearish in people's minds, they were selling, right? But the bull flag played out perfectly, and Ethereum is looking super strong right here and really, really good. So let's go back over to Vell and look at Vell a little bit here. Vell is doing the same thing, you guys. Vell is in a bull flag pattern, just like how Ethereum was. And guess what? It's falling right onto that 382 50% zone. I think this thing is going to bottom out really soon, sooner rather than later. And we're going to see another impulse up here, just like we just saw on Ethereum. So let's not talk about the short term any longer. Let's talk a little bit about the big picture. In the big picture, first we need to go out to the monthly here, and you guys can see this beautiful double bottom pattern here with Vell. This is really a perfect double bottom pattern with a huge breakout. And these bullish candlesticks coming in right here is a sign of significant strength in the big picture. Also, if you look at volume is coming in like crazy down here. So a lot of people are picking up this coin. You know, it dropped pretty hard from the time that it was listed. It came down pretty hard from when it first got listed. But obviously the big players and the Wells are picking up Vell down here in the billions of tokens because you can see it in the volume. Now, demand moves markets. Human emotion increases demand, and demand moves markets. So really, human emotion moves markets ultimately, but an increase in demand will increase price. Volume precedes price. So to have a significant increase in volume down here is a really good sign for the big picture here with Vell that we're going to go higher than the peak right here, right? That peak at 0.29 cents, I highly doubt is the top for Vell. Again, volume precedes price. You can see all the volume that came in right here, and then boom, the price skyrocketed. Also, the crypto total volume is going crazy right now. We're at 164% increase in crypto volume, so the demand for crypto is going nuts. It's insane, and it's just getting started, you guys. We have $165 billion in 24-hour crypto volume. This is just like after the internet bubble crash and when the internet started to become a real thing and adopted by people, mass adoption. That's exactly what crypto is starting to do right now as we speak. And Vell is going to be one I think is going to make a ton of people really, really wealthy this cycle. So I have to talk about it in today's video. Super excited about this coin. And I think we're going to see a lot more upside in the short term, as well as the big picture is really, really, really looking good. But let's zoom back in here just a little bit further. We're going to go down to the 5-day candlesticks now. And on the 5-day candlesticks, you can see this double bottom pattern a little bit more clearly. And again, you guys, this is one of the highest statistical probability patterns that there is. If you go look at all the different patterns and their success rate, double bottom is right next to inverse head and shoulders pattern, which for the people that missed out on Pepe, we called the bottom of Pepe perfectly because of an inverse head and shoulders pattern on this channel. Go back and watch my videos. If you go back and watch my videos, you guys will see that I made a video right here called, where is it? Top meme coins. And I called the exact bottom of Pepe because of an inverse head and shoulders pattern. And it's really amazing. Once you've learned these patterns like I have, you guys can really turn profit in these markets ridiculously quickly. And I'm here to tell you the double bottom pattern is nearly as high of a success rate as the inverse head and shoulders. It's just like a couple percent lower in statistical probability for playing out. So you guys, Vell is really ready to take off here and blow up and really go up a lot more than it is right now. And people are saying, oh, is crypto going to go up? Yeah, crypto is going to go up, you guys. We're all going to get rich so long as you stay long, so long as you play the big picture cycle and get ready for the mass adoption phase that we're entering into right now. Mass adoption is no joke. Think of how much the internet's grown. It went from dial-up internet to Google Fiber. That's exactly what we're going into with crypto. It's not going to happen overnight. But that big institutional cycle, that super cycle, that adoption phase cycle is exactly what we're going into. And mass adoption is just starting now. It's happening all over the world, everywhere. So you guys, this is an exciting time to be alive, to be investing in crypto, and to be taking part in this huge, huge development of this new technology as mass adoption takes place, because mass adoption is no joke. Like I said, look at the internet. Look what happened when it became something that was a household name. Everybody uses the internet now. Everybody that has access to the internet uses it. And cryptocurrency is the same way. It's going into the mass adoption phase as we speak. It's going to be a big deal. And anybody that's part of it, you guys are going to reap the financial rewards and be financially compensated beyond your wildest dreams. So get ready, you guys. This is an exciting time to be alive. Don't read the news. Don't watch the news. Look at the charts. Look at what's actually happening with crypto. And crypto is going to change the world. It's already starting to. So yeah, Vell looks really, really good. Also, we're going to do a quick run over the total crypto market cap. I'll probably do this as much as I can. Maybe not every video, but it's really, really important to run over crypto total market cap. So real quick here with the crypto total market cap, you guys, this is a huge rounded bottom. We were talking about inverse head and shoulders. We were talking about double bottom pattern. Rounded bottom is another one of those insanely high statistical probability patterns. It virtually plays out every single time. And this pattern is looking incredibly good here with the total market cap. By the way, if the price would have stopped at the 618, if you swing from swing high to swing low, if price would have stopped at the 618 and rejected and started to go lower, that wouldn't have looked very good here with the total market cap. But because we pushed right up through the 618, measuring from swing high to swing low, not from swing low to swing high, so you're actually measuring upside down, that 618 fib level is a bear market level. If we were in a bear market, it would have rejected at the 618 level and went lower. But we pushed right through that all the way up to the 88% Fibonacci level. And when things test the 88% Fibonacci level, there's like a 90% chance it's going to break above and through. In other words, because we got so high up here, this thing is going to push up through the all-time high and really take off in total crypto market cap. So I'm super excited here. There's also, just like how we were looking at that bullish flag on Vell, there's also a bull flag here in the crypto total market cap that we are breaking bullish out of as we speak. And I'm making money, you guys. Yesterday, I was making money on Pepe. Like I went downstairs and I came upstairs and I made money like faster than I could imagine or than I planned on because of how we're breaking out of this bullish flag. It's exciting to be trading crypto right now. Don't stop. You guys are going to get rich. Keep going, keep learning, keep applying yourself, and you guys are going to be crypto millionaires, especially if you buy the right coins. So yeah. So I'm super excited about crypto. Again, we have an 164% increase in total crypto volume in the past 24 hours. If that's not bullish, I don't know what is. Hey, thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it valuable. If you did, please do me a favor and share it with your friends. I love and appreciate every single one of you. And as always, stay profitable out there.